This, my friends, this is the real Kosovo. Don't go to no Pristina, come to here, Prizren. Look at that, look at, you can never see anything more beautiful like that anywhere else. You got the stone bridge, you got the water flowing, the beautiful mosques. And now I'm gonna go find where I'm supposed to be staying for the night. Oh my god, wow. You ready for this, guys? You're not ready for this. You are not ready for this. We're at the bus station here. Actually, we're gonna go to Prizren, so usually this is what it looks like. And it costs like €5, so it's super cheap. It's about an hour, 45 minutes trip, so I shall see you on the other side. The scenery from the bus was amazing. Honestly, I don't think I've ever seen that kind of shade of green before in my life. I want to show you something. Look at this. Wow. Check that out. Wow. Very fast. You could probably do some water rafting in there. Some Wildwassersport. Yeah, so cool. Beautiful, honestly, amazing place. And the thing is, it's far away from tourism because it's quite tucked away in Kosovo, and plus nobody really goes to Kosovo anyway. This has to be the most sketchiest elevator I've ever seen. The most sketchiest lobby I've ever seen. There it is. God. Jesus Christ. Close this. Wow. Okay. What the hell, this crashing grabs now? Die is nog maar. Wow. This is it's quite the experience. God. Flipping hell. It's like a roller coaster. Alright, get me out of this. The main reason why I wanted to say it, you know what, this is amazing. I kind of teased you a little bit with the beginning. It kind of looked a bit dingy, but let's get some lights on. Look at that, boys. Yes, Uno. I shall be playing some of that with the boys. The gang is all here. Alright, let's put this down. Let's show you what you really want to see. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You ready for this, guys? You're not ready for this. You are not ready for this. Whew. Damn, son. It looks better in person because obviously the GoPro doesn't pick it up, but man. This has to be one of the craziest views I've ever seen from a hotel room. Sarajevo was kind of cool, but this is, wow. I'm already loving this place. It's been, what, 10-20 minutes since I came. I'm already loving it.
القوم الكافرين.
Neyle iştigal ediyorsunuz?
Teşekkürler olsun. Allah'ım 33 sene çalıştık. Allah kabul etsin.
Selam. Aleykümselam.
You okay? How are you?
Elhamdülillah. Thank you. Where are you from?
From England.
Really?
Yes, England.
Maşallah.
Can you speak? Your English is good. Where did you learn English?
No. I'm Turkish.
You're Turkish?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
I lived 5 years in the
Wow.
United States.
Wow.
From 2012 to 2017.
MashaAllah.
5 years.
So you studied that, or did you do imamat there?
Yes.
Imamat, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. May Allah accept.
Eyvallah.
Allah emanet.
Allah'a emanet.
Emanillah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Eyvallah. Söyleyin.
Well, you know what they say, when you drink the fountain 2 times or whatever it is. Apparently I'm going to get married to a Kosovan now, according to folklore and legends and myths. But it's absolutely amazing, like the old streets, the old roads. This is exactly what I expected to see here. Oh. So yesterday I spotted that it appears to be a minaret, and I did a little bit of research, and there's some dark history behind it. So we're gonna go check that out and just overall explore the place.
All nationalities and different religions living here together, like near and without any problem or anything. Not just now and before 600 years.
So this has
500
been
years.
like this for hundreds of
Yeah.
years.
Yeah. We have also like, I don't know if you see in our flag, we have 6 stars. There you can see our flag.
The different nationalities, isn't it?
Every star is for the one nationality what living here. You can see the flag here. This one is like from 2008.
Yes.
We have a flag like the stars and our thing.
So it represents the multicultural aspect of Kosovo.
Yes. Like also we have fortress.
Fortress, yes.
Yeah.
So this is, when is that from?
It's
Hundreds of
like
years or?
so old, like
Wow.
it's first things in the city. Before make city, they make the fortress.
So is this
It's
older than
so-
the Ottomans?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. It's older than the Ottomans.
So
Yeah,
you know these buildings, it says 1929. Is this
Yeah.
from the Kingdom of Serbia or Yugoslavia?
Yeah, from Yugoslavia.
Ah, wow.
Mostly they are
Very European. So is this the main city centre?
Yeah, this one is-
What's this called again?
Shutter one.
Ah, yes, Shutterbank.
Shutter one.
Yes, yes. So is there any like halal places, or is it
99% of like in Kosovo, all things they are halal.
Wow.
We are 97% of population in Kosovo are Muslims. Because them, and it's so bad because for another religion sometimes it's a bit hard to find pork meat.
Yeah,
here
yeah, I
in
can
Kosovo.
imagine. Hello. Do you sell burgers? Burger?
Burger?
Yes.
Yes.
Can I have 2?
Yes.
2, thank you. Well, we're in luck. I'll be outside, okay? I have something depressing to show you. So, you know the minaret from yesterday? Well, let's get to it first. Well, at least what remains of it. Okay, so that was that. A bit depressing, very depressing actually. Anyway, we have a KLA monument here. This street is called Adam Jashari.
Turkish is living, Serbian is living, Albanian. There's so much is here, Albanian. Every multi-ethnic is living here.
So it's very multicultural. A lot of people, yes. Yes. Have you lived here your life?
Yeah.
Do you remember
I live here.
the war, 1998, 1999?
Yes, I'm soldier.
You were a soldier?
Yeah, what you get,
Wow.
I stay 1 year.
Why do you? What motivated you to be a soldier?
My commandant is here. Is here.
This is your commander?
Yeah.
Wow. So you were a soldier for the UCK?
Yugoslavian soldier, and I stopped in Yugoslavian soldier is state commander.
And then you became KLA?
Come back, yeah.
Wow.
It's a guy.
Wow.
And now it's taxi working.
Now a taxi worker.
I speak Turkish, I speak
Wow.
Yugoslavish, a little bit English, a little bit
English?
Deutsch.
Ah, so good. What do you think of Bill Clinton?
Clinton, is number one.
Number one.
Number one.
What do you think of
Kosovo, yeah.
Tony Blair?
Tony Blair and number one.
They're good people.
Everybody is group, is state. Yugoslavian,
Yes.
Milosevic is say, go, Kosovo.
Have you seen the statue of Bill Clinton?
Yes,
The statue.
The statue is
Yes.
Christina, you look at it?
I've seen it, yes. Very cool. Not really. But it was nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Thank you very much. In front of me here is an old Ottoman, I want to say bath, Turkish bath. I don't know how you call it, hammam. That's how you call it. Cross. So here it is. Once again, clear signs of a very rich Ottoman past. This is prime Ottoman. What the hell's an Ottoman? This is prime Ottoman architecture right here. If you were to tell me I was in Istanbul, I'd definitely believe you. And it's weird because we're in like the heart of Europe, in the Balkans. Quite far away from Istanbul. You have the calligraphy. You can see there. The building is made in 1930. So these are either from the Kingdom of Yugoslavia or the early kingdom, or the Serb control, the Kingdom of Serbia. Because Yugoslavia essentially was a merge between the Kingdom of Albania and the Kingdom of Serbia. They merged together to make the Yugoslavia, the southern collection of Slavs, if you can call it that. Once again, another building from 1937. So we're currently on our way to the next monument. Well, here is the next mosque on our list. This mosque was built by, from the orders of Mehmed the Conqueror, so the guy who conquered Istanbul. It was built in 1455, and it was the first mosque here in Prizren, and it was used to accommodate the Muslim soldiers who had just recently occupied the city. Unfortunately, it went into obviously neglect, especially when the Serbs took over in 1912, I believe. Well, this is what remains of one of the oldest mosques in Kosovo. Definitely the oldest here in Prizren. Imagine this place here being filled with Ottoman soldiers. going up to the fortress. God, reminds me of the steep hills of Sarajevo. Oh, it's this way. Hello. Is it this way or that way? The fortress.
No, it's been first.
Yeah.
Sorry.
These hills are definitely a killer. So the church that you see in the distance, it was damaged and wrecked by, unfortunately, Albanians, ethnic Albanians. Now, it's a shame I say that because during the war, the Albanians hadn't done such a thing. However, after the war, they sort of went to seek revenge and to really get back something from the Serbs, and that was through destroying churches. I just love how there's a UCK, KLA, just letters there. This was built in the 11th century, so it's really old. It predates the Ottomans as well. Here we are in a very, very windy fortress. Yeah, we made it. Absolutely impeccable. If you look at that. I believe this is the mountains of Jakova. You can see the snow on top of it. Wow. Look at that. This is Kosovo. Beautiful view. You can see everything. It really puts everything into perspective when you come up here. And that right there is my hotel. So look there. You can get a picture of all the different mosques and different cathedrals that you can see.